रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर दाए रोशनी उम्मीद है
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my learners. Our today's topic is from unit number 2, that is human transport system and diet. Our lifestyle directly affects our health. A healthy lifestyle means healthy habits, which include healthy eating, getting enough sleep, keeping yourself physically active like to do exercise, etc. Dear students, unhealthy food or a poor diet can cause many diseases of the circulatory system, some of which are as follows. First one is coronary artery disease. Second one is hypertension. We can also call hypertension as high blood pressure. And third one is anemia. So let's study it in detail. Circulatory system disease. First one is coronary artery disease. But first of all, let me tell you about coronary arteries. Coronary arteries are the blood vessels that supply the heart with blood, oxygen and nutrients. And the major factors causing this coronary artery disease are smoking, high blood pressure, eating food rich in fats or cholesterol, and inactive lifestyles. If the coronary artery is unable, means the coronary artery is not able to supply blood to the heart due to deposition of fats, due to the presence of fats and other cells, and that cells are called plaque on the walls of the vessels. So a disease comes into being, and that disease is called coronary artery disease. The symptoms of this coronary artery disease include chest pain, shortness of breath, and heavy sweating. And however, a complete blockage in an artery even cause a heart attack. Second one is hypertension or high blood pressure. Dear student, hypertension is a state. Hypertension is a condition in which the pressure with which the blood flows through the arteries is very high. And this high pressure can lead to various health problems including heart attack, brain hemorrhage. Hemorrhage means flow of blood from a ruptured blood vessels, and even can leads to kidney failure, etc. Dear students, in unhealthy diet full of fatty foods, high salt intake, smoking and obesity are some of the causes of hypertension. Obesity means more than average fatness. Kidney failure means whenever the kidney is unable to perform its particular function, and its particular function is to filter the blood. Third one is anemia. Anemia is a very common disorder of blood. Anemia is a condition or it is a state when a person lacks in adequate amount of red blood cells in the body. It is a condition or it is a state when a person haven't a proper amount of red blood cells or RBCs in the body to carry enough oxygen to the body's tissues, to transport enough oxygen to the body's tissues. Dear students, look at the picture and observe the difference between the normal and anemic. Anemia is caused by so many reasons like iron or vitamin B12 deficiency in a body, or abnormal destruction of red blood cells. Destruction means tabah karna, to remove out abnormal red blood cells. Certain diseases like cancer and hepatitis also initiate. Dear students, read the topic 3 to 4 times and then make 10 MCQs. Stay safe, stay blessed. Best of luck and Khuda Hafiz.